TSB pass, I'll just share you the background of this TSB pass. Government of Telangana had come out with a TSI pass for the industries. That was a very quick permission within 2 weeks of time. So ever since this TSB I-Pass is enacted, the CREDAI Hyderabad has been requesting the government of Telangana to bring a similar policy to our industry too. So it's been about 2 to 3 years. We were very persistent to follow up with the government to bring this policy. And during the course of this campaign to bring a policy for us, CREDAI Hyderabad appointed E&Y, an international consulting agency, to come out with the best policies in India and across the world. So they had visited most of the cities, and they have studied, and we had a lot of discussions with all the stakeholders in the industry. So they had given their recommendation that we shared with the government of Telangana, and they were gracious enough to adopt many of these recommendations. And the government of India government of Telangana was very proactive and interested to bring this policy. So it took about 5-6 months, but Honorable Minister K.T. Ramarao garu was very persistent and particular to bring this policy within a short period. Because of the COVID, there is some delay, but within that framework, it's formulated. Now even the assembly is cleared. Even the backbone office is set up to process these applications. And TSB Pass, basically it's a portal based. The applicant applies for the building permissions automatically in 21 days time you get, provided the application is in proper order with all the required papers. So even all the required permissions from the various government departments also come through that process only. Within 10 days, all the concerned departments have to give their clearances. So in the next 10 days, it's technically processed and the permission is accorded to the building. So it's nowhere in the country this policy has come. I wish every state will emulate this policy, and this is going to be a great success. And for all the investors who come across the globe into this city to invest, to their pleasant surprise, they are going to find this TSB Pass facility, which accords all kinds of building permissions within 3 weeks' time. For the below 75 square yards, they just have to notify and start building. They need not seek any permission. From 75 to 600 square meters, it is a self-certification. They have to certify themselves that their papers are in order, and they can start construction. But during the course of construction, there is going to be an inspection from the concerned agencies. If everything is found correct and as per the rules, they will be given the permit to go ahead. And if there is anything lacking, they will be stopped, given notice, and then they will be corrected. So for the properties which are above 600 square meters, we have to go through this TSB Pass process, which again accords the permissions within 21 days time. There is no human intervention. Maybe initial days you may be having some teething problems, but like any other new practice, but eventually I think we'll overcome this. And it's a great enactment, a great reform, like the revenue reform the Honorable Chief Minister has brought in. It has been pending for 100 years or so. So this is also a good reform, good and great reform.